Isn't it great to receive this message? Your salary got credited in your bank account. And it's gone. Most of us don't have an income problem. We have a spending problem. Which is why even after winning a lottery, most people still end up being poor. If you don't want to be like them, then by the end of this video, you will know exactly what not to do. Because in today's video we are going to see 9 money mistakes we need to avoid at all costs. And towards the end, I'll give you a bonus tip so that pandemic or not, you still keep making money. Before that, if you like our work, make sure you hit that big fat like button. Let's begin. Debt is when you spend money that belongs to someone else. And the longer you don't give them back their money, the more interest you have to pay them. Sounds silly, right? Then why borrow money? Some people do it because they have genuine financial needs. But some do it because they want to imitate a rich friend, follow an influencer, or just need to swipe their credit card to get that high. Hey, credit cards are not the bad guy here. Using them gives you reward points, lounge access, but most importantly they build your credit score that can help you buy a house. But if not used carefully, credit card debt can put you in a lot of trouble. If you want me to make a video about how to use credit cards wisely, then comment below and let me know. Meanwhile, here is a 2-step solution to be debt-free. Make a list. Who all do you have pay? And how much? There is a 50-30-20 rule about money. 50% of your income for your necessities, 30% for leisure and 20% for savings. But if you have any debts, I would suggest use your leisure and your savings money to first clear them off. But Taskeen, don't you always ask us to invest first? I do. But if your credit card interest rate is 24% and your investment return is 8%, then what is the point of investing, because you're still losing money? Make another list and write down how much you earn. Next to it, write down your monthly expenses. If your expenses exceed your earnings, then see where you can cut it down. Please do not plan a Goa trip on your friend's money, because you should never ever spend money you don't have. But wait. I want to go to Goa. I want more money. I'll tell you how you can earn more money when we discuss mistake number 4. But for now, get rid of all of your debt. Game of Thrones made 8 seasons about how winter was coming. But when old age comes, it never leaves. And nobody makes a TV series about it. The point is, when you get old, there is no undo button that you can press. No dagger that you can plunge into its heart like Arya Stark and make it all go away. And if you think your kids are your retirement fund, then good luck. What I mean is, it's exhausting to be an adult. And isn't it wrong to expect that our kids will support us financially when most of us didn't even responsibly vote for a party that can provide employment to the next generation? So start saving for your retirement right now. After you take out your necessities, move 15% of whatever is left to your retirement savings. Thanks to the power of compounding, the earlier in life you start doing this, the more you will have when you retire. And it doesn't matter if Apple releases a new iPhone, do not touch your retirement fund. Hey, I'm all about Atmagar, but if you're not staying in that house, real estate as an investment is a headache because. In this video, titled, How I Bought a House Before Turning 25, I talk about the various investment options that are out there. This can help you decide where all you can put your money and how much returns you can get from it. You are free to take your own financial decisions, but except your Atmagar, according to me, real estate is a liability, not an asset. The good news is, us Indians are waking up to the possibilities of making money in the stock market. The problem is, we are not doing it right. Why? Because we keep asking our friends. Which fund you are putting your SIP? ONE stock tip. Give no. These days it's so easy to click a button and buy a company stock. And so we do it, without even understanding the difference between large cap, mid cap, ETF and index funds. Don't get me wrong, stock market is a great place to generate long-term wealth. But before you click that buy button, please. Unless you do these and learn to identify companies yourself, the stocks you buy might be great for your friends but not be best for you. If you are a beginner, a good place to start learning all of these things are the stock market videos on our channel that cover the basics. Good luck. So you make your monthly budget and stick to it. Good. But COVID-19 has taught us that anybody can lose their job at any time, no matter how many years they were working in a company for. And that is when your emergency fund can come to your rescue. Emergency fund is nothing but 4 to 6 months of your living expenses, which includes your rent, food, medicine, Wi-Fi expenses saved in case of an emergency. So that tomorrow, if your jobs and goals and dreams are torn apart, you have something to hold on to. We have discussed 5 mistakes so far. Now you comment and tell me which of these financial mistakes you have made, so that we can discuss that mistake in detail in our future videos. Most of us either don't like our jobs or don't like the money we are making. The question is, what are we doing about it? All of us need more money. And the only way to get more is to work more. So get online and find out how you can offer a service, be it as a graphic designer, video editor, content writer, logo designer, website developer, teacher, or whatever you like doing that can generate you some side income. To give you an example, I'm a software developer and a robotic system architect by profession. And this, making YouTube videos, was my side hustle. I worked on it after office hours, on weekends, even left my job when I had the confidence. And after 3 years, it makes me more money than my main profession. It's not easy, but it's possible. And if you want to watch a detailed video about how you can do it too and make money online, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon, because we make career, finance and communication videos regularly. If you still depend on your parents or your spouse to, then chances are, you will never learn how to take care of your money. And if you don't know how to take care of money, you'll always be considered a dependent. The good news is, the more financial opinions that exist on a family dining table, the better financial decisions you will make together. So if you want to maintain a healthy relationship with your family, first start building a healthy relationship with money. People in their 20s, 30s or 40s think that they don't need an insurance plan. But if COVID-19 has taught us one thing, it's that life is unpredictable. And to be prepared for life, there are 2 kinds of insurances you can get. 1. Health insurance. That'll handle your medical emergencies. And 2. Life insurance. So that your loved ones are taken care of, after you, especially if you are the sole breadwinner of the family. And one of the term plans that you can check out is ICICI Prudential iProtect Smart Term Plan. This video is in association with ICICI Prudential Life. Before I give you the number 1 money mistake, let me quickly tell you about the key features of this plan. Investing your money in a life insurance is a big decision. So, go to the link in the description, read all about ICICI Prudential iProtect Smart Term Plan, check out the reviews and only then make your decision. Good luck. The only way to make more money is to invest in, no, not stocks, yourself. Investing in yourself will give you more returns than any company listed in NASDAQ or NIFTY 50. Investing in yourself means investing your time and money to build the skills you need, so that you can find the work you love. Let's assume you want to start a business as a side hustle. Then you need to learn how to talk to people. Do you think your customers will have the patience while you learn these skills on the job? Absolutely not. They'll just take their business somewhere else. So get online and figure out what are the best places to learn what you want to learn. For example, I wanted to learn screenwriting, so I attended a screenwriting workshop. I wanted to learn public speaking, so I joined Trademark. I wanted to learn finance, so I joined a course from IIM Bangalore. The more time and money you invest in upskilling yourself, the more ways you will find to make money. And the more money you can invest in upskilling yourself. This cycle is what makes people financially stable. So find clubs to join, online courses to do, books to buy, or even credible newspapers to read, instead of following sensational news, watching gaming live streams for 3 hours or participating in Twitter wars. Invest in yourself and start the money cycle now. COVID-19 is just one among the many adversities that human beings have faced. But evidence suggests that these are also the times when people have made the most money. Because chaos brings along with it a lot of problems, and hence, opportunities to solve those problems. So today's bonus tip is this. Be ready for an adversity. Since the time COVID-19 began, there are so many ed-tech companies that are doing well. Netflix doubled its subscriptions and people who had learnt digital marketing are now in demand. So no matter the financial mistakes you have made until now, the biggest financial mistake you'll ever make is to let go of an opportunity to solve a problem. So, upskill yourself, find a problem you'd love to solve, and sooner or later, that will make you money. On that note, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.